It's a dream come true for me that I got a maiden IPL wicket.
I think there's an inside edge. Yes, there is an inside edge onto the pads.
First of all, I just want to thanks my Gurudev, my spiritual Gurudev, he is Shri Shamdas, and my mother, father for just supporting me. I have just came onto this platform. Today I was there that if I'll take the wicket, I'll definitely gonna put that out.
That would be the end of the debutant.
Just thanks Mumbai Indians because it's been a painful 15 years for me. How I started cricket and a lot of things happened in my life also. But today, just by the grace of Bhagwan, I just came here and just by MI's grace, you can say that I'm very grateful to this franchise that they have supported me, they have believed in me, they have backed me also, they retained me, and now I am just giving them that confidence that yes, I can also do that for them as well. I'll just speak about when I was in 2011. Actually, we have a family background. All engineers and doctors are there. So I also am an engineer, electrical engineer. But I have a background like I was not that much fit. I was like 102 kgs. But still, I worked hard just to see when Dhoni sir just hit that six. That gave me some kind of determination to do this that I also can do. But my father speak, you can't do it because you are so fatty. You have to run. You have to do a lot of hard work. Cricket is not for you. I started at 21. So all age group was already finished for me, but still I was so much determined and focused on my target that definitely I am gonna do everything. I slowly do it, and I learned a lot in experiencing. Like in Sri Lanka also I played, in England and county also I played. So there I got a lot of experience. I'll just want to say that age is not a number, and if you are preparing yourself, especially for this kind of platform, which is such a big platform as of now. So you're gonna think you got to be hardworking, but at the same time you got to be mentally very strong and stable because it needs maturity rather than skills. Skills also matters, but I think so maturity is the main thing which definitely gonna make you as a good bowler, especially on this platform.
Started off well with a massive six. Couldn't make it count.
Bhagwan Jagannath already, he supported me a lot. I went to Puri, I remember, and there I was just training like in the beach and just by taking Mahaprasadam there and just like that. But that moment I was thinking that yes, if Bhagwan is there then everything is possible for me. So these 15 years, I used to practice 6 days leg spin every day. And till now also I used to bowl around 10 overs. If you are bowling, you have to keep bowling. Then automatically your wrist will work. So that what kept me in those things, and still I have always have a plan before a match that yes, I am gonna bowl like this, I'm gonna work on these aspects. So these things I think so has helped me from these 15 years to just lengthen all these things, and now you can see the results of that.